ever felt like your heart has a 1,000-page book to say, but your English only gives you 3 basic words? Maybe you felt a deep emotion but couldn't find the right way to express it without sounding like a textbook. If you want to move beyond just saying I'm happy or I'm sad and start speaking with real, honest confidence, then this episode is exactly for you. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another episode of Easy Talk Time, your favorite place to relax, listen, and grow your English naturally. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Sam. Olivia, that was a perfect way to start. It really is like being a painter who only has red, blue, and yellow. You can't paint a beautiful sunset with just those 3 colors.
Exactly. Today, we are helping our listeners move beyond basic emotions into mature expression.
We're going to talk about feelings that are messy, like when you are both happy and scared at the same time.
Our first keyword for today is articulate. It means to express an idea or a feeling clearly and in words.
Being able to articulate your feelings is a superpower. It stops people from misunderstanding you.
If you can't articulate it, you might end up acting it out, which usually means slamming doors or being silent, and nobody wants that.
Olivia, what is the safest way to start talking about feelings? Because it can feel very scary to be vulnerable.
Vulnerable, that's a deep one. It means being emotionally open and showing your real self, even if it feels risky.
It feels like standing in the rain without an umbrella.
That's a great image. But the umbrella for your feelings is the phrase, I feel.
I feel? That sounds too simple.
It's powerful because it's a non-aggressive start. If you say, you made me mad, the other person gets angry back. But if you say, I feel ignored, they have to listen.
Oh, it's about the perspective. You're talking about your own internal world, not attacking theirs.
Exactly. Instead of, you never call me, try, I feel a bit disconnected when we don't talk for a few days.
Wow, that sounds so much more mature. It feels like a conversation, not a fight.
And that is the goal of Easy Talk Time. We want your English to help you build bridges, not walls.
Let's talk about the word tired. I think English learners use this word for everything.
Yes. How are you? I'm tired. It could mean you didn't sleep, or it could mean you are deeply unhappy at work.
We need a better word for that mental exhaustion.
That word is overwhelmed. It means you feel like you have too much to handle, too many tasks, too many feelings, too much noise.
I feel overwhelmed every time I see my to-do list.
We all do. If you tell a friend, I'm overwhelmed, they understand that you need help or a break. If you just say, I'm tired, they might just tell you to drink more coffee.
And coffee doesn't fix a full brain.
That is another great one. Burnt out. This is specifically for when you have worked too hard for too long.
Like a candle that has no more wax.
Yes, using burnt out or overwhelmed shows that you understand your own limits. It's a sign of a high emotional IQ.
What happens when we don't talk, Olivia? When we just keep everything inside?
We call that bottling things up. Imagine a soda bottle. You keep shaking it and keeping the lid on tight.
I know what happens next. It explodes.
Exactly. If you bottle up your feelings, eventually you will lash out.
Lash out, that's a great phrasal verb. It means to suddenly react with anger or hurtful words because you've been holding too much in.
You might lash out at your girlfriend because she forgot to buy milk, but the real reason is that you've been feeling stressed about your job for a month.
Poor Milk. It didn't do anything wrong.
So the survival tip here is speak while the feeling is small.
Yes. I feel a little bit frustrated about this is much easier to say than, I am so angry I want to scream.
It's about small vents. Like a steam engine, you have to let a little bit of steam out every day so the whole machine doesn't blow up.
What if I try to be vulnerable and the other person says,
Oh, don't worry. It's not a big deal.
Ouch. That is what we call being dismissive. It means treating someone's feelings as if they are not important.
That feels terrible. It makes me want to never talk again.
I understand. When someone is dismissive, they're usually just uncomfortable with emotions. It's not about you, it's about them.
So, how do I handle it in English?
You can say, actually, it is a big deal to me. I'd really appreciate it if you could just listen for a second.
Wow, that is a strong sentence. It's not mean, but it's very firm.
You have to be your own bodyguard. If your feelings are important to you, they are important, period.
I'm going to remember that. It may not be a big deal to you, but it's affecting me.
Now, let's talk about the good kind of listening, validation.
Validation. To show that someone's feelings are logical and that you understand them.
You don't even have to agree. You just have to say, I can see why you feel that way.
That sounds really hard. Or, I'm sorry you're going through that.
Yes, those are magic phrases. They make the other person feel seen and safe.
I think we often try to fix people's problems instead of just validating them.
Guilty. I always want to give advice immediately.
Sometimes the fix is just being heard.
So, next time a friend is upset, ask them, do you want a solution or do you just want me to listen?
That is the most premium question I've ever heard. It's so respectful of their space. Thoughtfully, is it possible to share too much?
Oh, we call that oversharing, like telling your life story to the guy sitting next to you on the bus.
Hi, I'm Sam, and here are my 5 biggest regrets in life.
Exactly. There is a time and a place to open up.
Open up to start talking more freely about your personal life and feelings.
You should open up to people who have earned your trust.
So maybe not your boss on the first day.
Probably not. At work, keep it professional but honest. Instead of, I'm so depressed, you can say, I'm feeling a bit low on energy today, so I'm going to focus on some quiet tasks.
That is a great way to translate a feeling into a work-safe sentence.
It protects your privacy but still tells the truth.
What if someone is pushing you to talk and you're not ready?
You have to draw the line.
Draw the line to set a limit on what you will do or what you will accept.
You can say, I appreciate you asking, but I'm not ready to talk about it yet. I need some time to process.
To process.
Yes, process means to think about a situation until you understand it or feel calm about it.
Exciting. My brain is like a slow computer. It needs time to load the feelings.
Exactly. Never feel pressured to explain your heart before you've had time to think.
I'll tell you when I'm ready. Simple, powerful.
Sam, let's talk about the word composure.
Composure. The feeling of being calm and in control of yourself.
In an argument, the person with the most composure usually wins, not because they are louder, but because they are steady.
It's like being a rock in the middle of a stormy ocean.
If you feel your composure slipping, maybe your voice is shaking or you want to cry, it's okay to take a time out.
Like in sports?
Exactly. Say, I'm getting a bit emotional right now, so I'm going to step away for 5 minutes. Let's finish this when I'm calmer.
That shows so much emotional strength.
It does. It's much harder to walk away than it is to stay and scream.
Okay, Olivia, let's play a game for our listeners. I call it emotional weather. How are you feeling right now?
I'd say my weather is clear skies with a bit of a breeze.
Translate that for me.
It means I'm happy and focused, clear skies, but I'm also a little bit nervous about my big meeting later, the breeze.
Oh, I'm feeling partly cloudy.
Why is that?
I'm happy to be here with you, but I'm also a bit restless. I think I need to go for a long walk in nature.
Restless, that's a great word. It means unable to rest or relax because you are bored or unhappy.
It's that itch in your soul that says,
I need a change.
We all feel restless sometimes. It's your brain's way of saying, let's grow. We've gone deep into the heart of English today, Sam.
I feel like I have so many new tools to talk to people.
Let's recap the golden rules of feelings.
1. Use I feel to keep it polite and non-aggressive.
2. Don't bottle things up. Let the steam out while it's small.
3. Validate others. I can see why you feel that way is a magic sentence.
4. Protect your boundaries. It's okay to draw the line.
And our words.
Articulate, to express clearly.
Vulnerable, showing your real exposed self.
Overwhelmed, having too much to handle.
Dismissive, treating feelings as unimportant.
Composure, staying calm and steady. Ready for the challenge, Sam?
Oh, I'm ready.
Listeners, we want you to practice your internal weather.
In the comments, tell us how you are feeling today using a weather word. Are you sunny, cloudy, a thunderstorm?
And then try to articulate why. I feel sunny because I learned 5 new words today.
We want to hear the real you. Don't be afraid to be a bit vulnerable.
Sam, any final advice for our family of learners?
Just remember that your feelings are valid. You don't need a PhD in English to have a heart that matters.
Every time you speak your truth, your English becomes more authentic.
And authentic English is the most beautiful English of all.
Thank you for trusting us with your time today. We know you are working hard, and we see your progress.
Keep growing, keep feeling, and keep talking.
We will see you in the next episode of Easy Talk Time. Bye, everyone. Take care of your hearts.
See you soon. Stay sunny.
If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Easy Talk Time and keep learning English with us.